I, Donald John Trump, do solemnly swear.
Ilang minuto matapos manumpa bilang leader ng Amerika, inilatag ni US President Donald Trump ang kanyang trade vision.
Instead of taxing our citizens to enrich other countries, we will tariff and tax foreign countries to enrich our citizens.
Gayunpaman, wala pang inanunsyo kaugnay sa bantang taripa sa mga produkto mula Canada. Sa mga nakalipas na linggo, nagbanta si Trump ng 25% taripa sa lahat ng Canadian goods na ibebenta sa US pagbalik niya sa White House.
He's all about America first. And I guess here in Canada, we have to expect to work with the new Trump administration to make sure that that we have this partnership that can be solidified because they're our largest trading partner and we have to keep it that way.
Ikinatuwa man ni Alberta Premier Daniel Smith ang di pag-anunsyo ng US President sa mga taripa. Iba ang opinyon ng Ontario Premier.
He's just adding more uncertainty. I may not do it today, I'll do it tomorrow, maybe I'll do it in a month. That doesn't help. And so we're going to take him serious. You know, what a relief is, I'm not doing any tariffs at all. That's what we need to hear, and he's not hearing it. He's not saying it right now.
Sa ngayon, hiniling ni Trump sa American federal agencies na balikan ang patuloy na trade deficits at bigyang pansin ang di patas na kalakalan para sa Canadian ministers. Ang pagsusuri sa Canada-US trade, posibleng patatagin ang paglaban ng bansa sa bantang taripa.
And applying tariffs to imports from Canada wouldn't benefit the economy of the United States. It clearly would have been negative for the Canadian economy. So we remain very much on the job to protect the Canadian economy.
Bagamat naging positibo ang tugon ng Amerika sa billion-dollar border plan ng Canada, aminado ang Canadian Foreign Minister na walang naging talakayan sa pag-antala sa pagpapatupad ng taripa.
There was no conversation today, but because everybody was at the swearing in. But definitely I'm speaking this week to Marco Rubio. I'm heading to Washington in the coming days.
Para kay dating Manitoba Cabinet Minister at MLA, posible ring maapektuhan ang mga Pilipinong nais lumipat sa Amerika sa inaasahang paghihigpit ni Trump sa American immigration policies, bagay na dapat paghandaan daw ng Canadian leaders.
And that's where Canadian politicians have to ensure that our policies are in tune with the Canadian needs of immigration, having the proper immigration come to Canada through the proper stream. So there's going to be a lot of reevaluation on both sides of the border, and hopefully it'll be a positive outcome for both sides.
Wala mang anunsyong taripa sa ngayon. Masyado pa raw maaga para masabing tapos na ang bantang ito.